Welcome everyone. Let's embark on a journey to discover the essence of leadership and how it can transform teams into powerful, cohesive units. Leadership, it's not just about managing people, but about inspiring them to be their best selves. Today we're diving into how better leadership creates great business and unlocks potential within every team. Great leadership starts with empathy, communication, and a vision. Leaders who truly listen make team members feel valued, which translates to higher engagement and innovation. Communication isn't just about speaking, it's about creating an environment where ideas flow freely. Take Satya Nadella at Microsoft. By fostering a growth mindset and empowering teams, he revitalized a tech giant. Or Mary Barra at GM, whose transparent and customer-focused leadership is creating a lasting impact. These leaders demonstrate how a positive approach doesn't just boost morale, it drives real business success. Ready to level up your own leadership? Start with these 3 steps. Practice active listening. Engage with your team's ideas and give feedback that shows you're invested in their growth. Set clear goals. Clarity and direction leads to better focus and results. Recognize achievements, big or small. Acknowledgement motivates teams to keep pushing forward. Great businesses are built on the foundation of strong leadership. Start with empathy, set clear goals, and communicate with purpose, and watch your team and business thrive. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe for more tips, and share how leadership has impacted your journey.